Guys, iyaw tayo guys. Hito, Jempo. Good morning guys, good morning guys. Yung taga-iyaw guys oh.
Good morning.
Yun oh. Yung inihaw niya guys oh. Hito, Jempo. Yan oh.
Napakasarap.
Napakasarap niyan guys. Ito yung sunod guys oh. Inasal. Chicken inasal. Mamaya, bakit yung finished product niyan? Mamaya, mag-ano pa yan eh. Tempura. Oh. Yun yung book namin, no? Finished product guys.